Yeah, hello everyone. Uh, yeah, good afternoon. Before my presentation, I would introduce myself. Yeah, I received my PhD from Peking University in 2012, and then I moved to University of Colorado at Boulder to continue my postdoctoral research. And in 2014, I joined WuXi, and at WuXi, I focus on the library production and uh, um medicam, yeah. And today, uh, my topic today is uh, water screening, the rocket booster of drug discovery. Yeah, the drug discovery is well developed today. However, there are still there are still some challenges in today's healthy healthcare industry. Yeah, like the average research cycle time is more than 10 years, and the cost is higher than $1 billion, while with the low success rate. Besides that, the growing number of rare disease, yeah, also bring new problems to the human health. So the urgent requirement of availability and of affordability of treatments brings high attention to the scientist. This is a general approach for drug discovery. Yeah, generally from a hit to drug candidate, it will take 2 to 3 years. A preclinical study will take 1 to 2 years, and the clinical research will take 4 to 6 years. If the research could go into the clinical study earlier, it will bring us more chance in the success of therapy. The traditional hit screening methods, yeah, like high through screening, its hit rate is lower than 1%. Yeah, recently it is surprising that water screening improves the hit rate dramatically, up to 2 to 5, yeah, percent. Yeah. In this slide, yeah, it shows the CDD. Yeah, CDD comprise a broad range of theoretical and computational approach in the modern drug discovery. Structure-based and ligand-based drug design are well developed, yeah, in the past years. And the quick growth of AI-related technology also bring new blood into the CDD, which shows a new angle of view. Yeah, WuXi's CDD platform can support all kinds of tasks in the drug design, from target identification, hit identification, lead optimization to preclinical development. And the integrated technology also in the modern drug design like MD simulation, docking, word screening, and pharmaceutical modeling and quantum calculation, machine learning. The large reel of word library from which will save your time cost, yeah, to screen the hate candidates, and the strong QSAR models provide in can be conducted in silica, yeah, to predict the uh, properties of specific compounds. AI also enabled capabilities are also developed in WuXi to support the entire development of process of drug design. Yeah, and which have strong and rich calculations of resource. Yeah, from hardware to software facilities. By now, there are 200 CPUs and 10 GPUs in totally at WuXi, and all these can make the simulation faster and more accurate. Yeah, uh, that's about a brief introduction for the water screening. So next we will talk about how to convert water screening to the reality in lab. Yeah. After screening, yeah, the bench chemistry will be initiated towards on the synthesis of desired target. With validated chemistry, the diversity-oriented library production will push it forward to found the finding out of hit and then lead discovery. Then it will go to the next stage like a drug candidate, IND, preclinical or clinical research. If promising, will go to the market. So after water screening, the quick chemistry and the efficient library production will really accelerate this process of drug discovery. We know the quick start of a good library is based on the scaffolds and the building blocks. Yeah, in Wuxi, over 31,000 scaffolds and building blocks are specially designed based on the structure information of the commercial drugs or PCC. And the most important here, 14,000 of them are available in Wuxi inventory. And here you can find a variety of catalog reagents, including a whole spectrum of basic reagents, high-end pharmaceutical intermediates, catalysts, impurities, and nature products. You can also reach a series of filtered reagents, yeah, like shown in these slides. Yeah, novel spiral, fused or bridged cyclic compounds, and the others are not listed here. If the catalog, if the reagents are not commercial, your cost structures are not commercial available, yeah, high quality and cost effective customer synthesis service also could be provided. Yeah, this is the materials we have, and this one will be for the library production. Here we show representative reaction times for one-step library production. Yeah, including the typical acylation, amide condensation, reinformation, cross coupling, and British type reaction or Euro formation. Among them, the amide condensation is the most frequently used here. I think around 60% of them will be amide condensation, and in the and we also work on the two steps or multi steps library synthesis. And in the past year, our library platform delivered more than 20,000 small molecular compounds for screening. Yeah. And WuXi chemistry capability is built up as matrix. Yeah. The library platform is also supported by other chemistry capabilities. Yeah, like a screening platform. Here, the Catalyst Screen Center will be used for cross-coupling reactions. Yeah, or some and photo redox chemistry, electrochemistry, foreign chemistry, and some biocatalysts will help us to make a quick decision for the chemistry strategies. Meanwhile, we also accumulate the considerable experience on the popular technology, such as ADC, PROTEC, on natural amino acid, deuterated compounds, covalent bond chemistry, yeah, early discovery process, and late stage uh, functionalization. At the same time, we also build up some dedicated teams. Yeah, working on the uh, oligo oligonucleotide synthesis, sugar, and nucleoside synthesis study, and nature products, and yeah, there's like QM and AI. Yeah, all these special chemistry yeah, to uh, improve our library production efficiency. Yes. After synthesis, yeah, another point is very important is about the compound management unit. You know, for a huge number of compounds, yeah, the professional management is quite important. Our compound management center can help to manage the storage work firstly, yeah, and the compounds could be from internal chemistry or external, and the storage conditions depends on the requirement of the compounds or compounds properties. Yeah, for example, uh, could be under the nitrogen gas or low temperature, and the compound uh, could also be reformatted and or prepared as a plate for the following shipment and for the bioassay test. The corresponding bioassay could be arranged at WuXi or at external companies. Yeah. Beyond chemistry, our extended team could provide more integrated service to provide you a one-stop platform, help our water to help convert water to heat to reality. Yeah, we have our CAS team on work on the analytical and purification. Yeah, and they also can provide the special analysis service. Yeah, like GRP and RA. Yeah, preparation, and both in vivo and in vitro assay also could be conducted here, and the corresponding platforms and assays and can are also built up gradually, and the experiments could be conducted in China or US labs. Yeah, our computation teams can provide calculation service, help to promote the lead ID to PCC, and especially our Krelax, yeah, one of our unit can offer the protein science research. Yeah, yeah, this is extensive biophysical capacity. Yeah, and not just this. Yeah, WuXi also can support additional LO and PCC related technology, yeah, like animal or translation models, yeah. And we also continue have our dynamic center, and we also can prepare pre-formulation and formulation test, yeah, and we also can test the toxicity, yeah. uh, about R&D and clinic related service, yeah, we can provide process chemistry and GMP API production, yeah, and GLP toxic safety, and we also can prepare to provide GMP clinical trial product, yeah, and we also can provide China and global clinical trials. Yeah, these are very important for your later stage research. Yeah. So here, yeah, I want to say, yeah, water screening, yeah, it's really like a rocket booster to accelerate the drug discovery, because it can help us to find the uh, desired compound here quickly, yeah, and with a high hit rate. And the benefit from water screening, WuXi platform also could accelerate the uh, process, yeah, from bench chemistry to the clinical research, yeah. For my part, yeah, we are focused on the hit discovery, this and the following lead optimization, this part. So I think for us, yeah, we can uh, we can do more and better, more and more better to provide this detailed service. Yeah. So I think that's my part. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for your time.